In this video, we wanted to go through a design proof and show you how your client would see the proof and how to build it in Sprout Studio. So we split the screen up here. On the right-hand side, we have the client version of the album proof, and on the left-hand side, we have the actual design proof section open in Sprout Studio. To cycle through the images, it's as simple as clicking the arrow buttons next to the proof. If you want to go to a specific image, you can actually just click on it right in the bottom here to go directly to that image. To leave a comment on the image, simply hover over the image and click on it. It's going to open up a comment box for you to put in a comment right over here, or a really cool feature that we actually built into our design proofs is the suggest replacement box. This is going to allow you to attach a gallery to your design proof to let your client suggest replacements to the images. So if you wanted to change an image, you would just click on the plus button and you'd click suggest replacement. So what's going to happen is we actually give you the file name. So in your end of whatever album proofing software that you're using, you could just find the file and replace it very easily. So once you're done, you click add to add in the comment. And once your client is all done, we have the approve and the send button in the top right corner. The send button is going to send the changes that your client has requested to you for you to review and create a new proof for them, or they can click approve to approve the album. So now let's go into Sprout here. If you haven't created a design proof yet, please create one and click the upload button to upload your spreads. You can click and drag on any of the spreads and move them around to put them in the order that you'd like. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to go up to the settings button. So some of the things that we looked over in there would be the page flip, for instance. The page flip animation that you're actually seeing between the spreads is where you'd set it right here. So if I was to click on this right now, you see how it's flipping the page. I can turn it off just by clicking none. Right now we have it set to the light theme, so that's the background color. Right now it's set to light, so it will be a white color. But if I clicked on this and chose dark, it would end up being a dark color to allow your images to have more contrast. The replacement gallery that we attached is right down here at the bottom. So we've already found our gallery. If I wanted to remove it, I would just click this red X here. But if I was looking to add one, I would just click attach. You can change the visibility of the design proof just by clicking this up here. It's set to public, so anybody who goes to this design proof will be able to see the proofs. But if you clicked private, it would force you to actually put in either your username and password if you are a client, or the access key that you've specified right over here. To see any other revisions that you have open, click this button over here. We only have one revision here, but if I wanted to make a new revision with the changes that your client has requested, I can either go new proof to start an entirely new proof within this, or I can go clone proof, where it's actually going to clone all the spreads into a new proof. I can then upload new images to overwrite the old ones, or I can delete the images and upload the new images. If for any reason you wanted to turn commenting off in your design proof, you would just click this button right here. So this was building a design proof in Sprout Studio. Take care.